GitHub. Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess, and today we're going to be talking about Git and GitHub. Git is a piece of software designed to handle version control. Version control is the practice of tracking and managing changes to code. So say you're working on a group project and you're all changing the code all at the same time. This would normally be like a pain because you might have one version of the code, someone else has a different version, and everyone's changing different pieces. But when you're using Git, you can all have the code in one place and you're all contributing to it, and it changes in real time. So you always have the most updated version of your code. Now, GitHub is a website which allows you to host or store your code. So, like I said, you can all have your code in one place. If you're working on a group project, you can all store it in one GitHub repository, which I'll discuss in a minute. And so you don't have the same code dotted around different places. It's all getting changed. It's one piece of code in one place, which is getting changed by lots of different people in real time. So this is github.com, and this is my profile. My username is Tess314 if you want to follow me. But today, what we're interested in looking at is this tab here, repositories. And I have this repository called Techie Tessie, which is private just now, but I'll make it public when this video comes out on Friday, because I want you guys to actually contribute to this. It's for practice. So what we've got here is a place to store a bunch of files. Now these files make up a website. Now, what you'll want to do to copy this code for yourself is go to your command prompt, copy the URL of the repository first, go to your command prompt, type git clone and paste it. And now this will clone the files in this repository into whichever folder you've chosen. I had to abruptly stop the screen share there because I had to put in my details. Then once you put in your username and password, you'll have cloned the GitHub repository to your files. So now you should be able to see the repository in your files. So this means you can go into whichever IDE you like to use. I'm using IntelliJ at the moment. You can open up this file. And after it's loaded, you should have the same code from the repository on your machine in your IDE. Yeah, so there we go. We have all the same files here. So now that we got the code from GitHub to our machine, now we'll talk about what to do once we've changed the code on our machine and post it back to GitHub. So let's change something simple in the index file, like the title. We can just change it to home page instead of home. In IntelliJ, click Git Commit. And to commit something is basically like to save the changes. So we can say changed home title to home page. Click Commit. And once we've committed the file, we can then go git push, which pushes this code back to GitHub. So there we go, that should have worked now. So if we head back over to GitHub, if we refresh the page, and there we go, we can see it's changed the home title to home page. That's what we did. And there we go, it says home page. So that's how you save some code from GitHub to your own device and then push it from your own device back to GitHub. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, and I'll see you next time.